The Broken Pot, a short moral story. Lila carried water daily from the well, using 2 pots. One pot was perfect, the other, cracked, leaked water along the path. Ashamed of its flaw, the cracked pot apologized to Lila one day. Lila smiled, saying, "Look at the path we take." The cracked pot noticed flowers blooming on one side. "I planted seeds there because of you. Your flaw watered them, making the journey beautiful." The cracked pot beamed with pride, realizing its worth. Moral: self-respect begins with accepting imperfections. Our flaws often contribute to the beauty of life in ways we may not immediately see. Thank you for watching.